Hello traders, so in this video I want to show you how to do spot trading on MEXC exchange. You can also use it on any exchange of your choice, Bybit, Wix and Bitget. Okay, it's all is the same. So but in this video I'm using MEXC exchange to show you this. So once you open your account, your MEXC exchange, you move straight to this place. First of all, you have to go to your wallet. Make sure that you have money on your spot account. You can see we have spot, we have features, we have DEX, and so make sure you have money on your spot account. If you don't have money on your spot account, you transfer it. You come to this transfer, click on it, and transfer the money you have from your features account to your spot account. You can put the amount you want to transfer. So once you click on transfer, it will move it straight to your features account or your spot account. You see, you can interchange it clicking this arrow, right? So now let's go back to our trading. So once you get to your MEXC exchange, click on this section that says trade. You can see it. You click on it. Once you click on it, you come to this search button where you see the root, either BTC or any pair that is there. Click on it. You click on it and search for what you want to trade. Right? What you want to trade. Remember, this is spot trading, not feature trading. So you search, let's say for example, BTC. You click on BTC. Make sure it's on this spot. You can see the spot is highlighted here. The features are not highlighted. Once you click on feature, meaning you are trading in feature, which is not what you want to do in this video. So come back to this section that said trade, not feature trade. So click on it. Once you click on it and you click on buy markets, you select market instead of limit, since it's not limit order you want to set, right? So you select market, meaning you want to buy the you want to buy the asset immediately, right? So once you click on market, let's assume you want to buy, for example, BTC, or let's go and look for any pair. You come to home section here. You click on it. You click on, let's say, new. These are new coin just listed on MEXC. We have the hot, we have the gainers, losers, and so. So let's say we want to trade any new coin. Let's take this first one for example, GTF-USDT. So let's click on it. Let's say we want to buy this coin. It's a new coin that listed. You click on buy. You click on buy. Remember I said you choose markets, right? You click on market. Once you click on market, you come into this section, they said amount. You can put in, let's say you want to buy that of $10, or you want to buy $20, or any amount. You click on the amount you want to buy, depending on how much you have in your account. Currently on this account, you can see the available balance on this particular spot wallet is $21. So if you want to buy everything, you just drag this line. This one, you can see it, drag it to the end, meaning 100%. You want to use all your capital to buy GTF-USDT. So let's click on buy now. You can see I've successfully buy GTF-USDT, and you can see it right here on my account, right? You can see it right here on my account. It has not started reading yet. So you click on, you can analyze the market. Remember, you don't just buy, you have to analyze the market before jumping into any trade. This video is really for educational purpose. That's why I just to show you how to do it, right? So after you buy it, let's say you are in profit. Let's check it. Let's check the market and see. If we are in profit, you can see currently we are in profit on this particular okay, now is on negative. GTF-USDT now is on profit back. You can see we are up 0.5%, and we are up 0.04 USDT. So you can see currently we are in profit, and you can see how the market is moving right there. See? So after you buy it, you wait for some time, or if you want to hold it for long, you can wait for as long as you want. Probably some might want to hold it for some weeks, some months. I hope you get. So you wait for that long before you sell it. I'll show you how to sell your token right away in this video. So after you've bought it, you can also go to your wallet, this wallet here section, to check, you see, on the wallet section, to check if you can see what you bought. If you click on this spot trade, on this spot section, you see that we have 40 JTF, 40.88 JTF, which we bought at around $21. You can see we have $22 currently. You can see we have $22, 22.06 USD currently, meaning we are up like almost $1 or so. You get, so if you wish, you can go and sell it right away. Right? You can go and sell it right away. So now let's go back to our trade. You come to this section that says trade, you click on it. Once you click on it, you go to sell. Make sure you're on the pair, JTF USDT. This is what we bought, right? Let me check the market more. You can actually even wait a bit longer if you want more profit. Like I said, you can hold it longer, right? You can hold it longer. So now let's go back to our sell and see how the market is going. Right? We're up above $1 now. You can see we are $1 plus just immediately. Within few minutes that we join this trade, we are $1 plus. Right? So you can decide that you want to sell this particular coin right away. So let's track. Now if I sell this coin out at market price, I'll be gaining additional 1.21 USDT. You can see it's increasing. 1.32 USDT. You can see how it is increasing. 1.46 USDT. You can see that the coin is increasing. We very soon will be up to $2 in profit. I want it to get to like $2 in profit before I sell it. So let's wait a bit for it to get to $2 in profit. Then we can just sell it right away. Alright, so now we are up with like almost $3 on this trade. You can see it's okay. It's fluctuating. It's 2.987 now. So, like I said, we'll sell it. I intend to sell it when I have like $3 profit, for example. And one good thing about spot trading is that even if you have a trade like this, you can see I have a trade. I bought some coin that is negative currently, but I'm not bothered because I know that it will definitely go up because it's something I analyze and it's a long time holding. Right? I was in profit, then it came into negative, but I was not worried because it's a long time holding. You can see I am having negative $240 something here on this particular coin. So, but I'm not bothered because it's a long time holding. I'm willing to hold the coin for a very long time. You get, so this is just how to do spot trading. You can see currently we are up with about 3 point something dollars on JTF. So now let's say you want to sell this JTF coin. You come to your the pair itself, JTF. You can see that's what we have on our screen here. You click on sell. Make sure you're on sell. You can actually set limit order. Let's go to our trade again. Let's say I want to sell it at these points. You can see these points here. Let's say I want to sell it at these points, for example, which is 0.7646. So let's say I want to sell it at 0.76646. Go back to your sell. Then you click on 0.76646. Right? Remember, this is limit order. Then quantity, you click on all. right? You click on 100%, you can see. So if I sell it, if I click on sell, it will sell once the price gets to this level. The market will automatically sell for me once the price gets to this level, and it will be giving me how much? It will be giving me about $8 if I'm willing to sell at that level. If you see, remember we bought about $7, right? Remember we bought worth of $21. So you see, if market gets to this level and I sell at that price, it will give me about $7 to $8 profit. But if I want to sell at limit or the market order right now, I don't want to wait for market to get to that side. Let's see. If I sell it now, you can check your profits. You can see I have almost $4 profit running. You can see 3.87, which is plus 17.71% up, right? So the reason why some people prefer spot trading to future trading is because the risk involved is minimal. The risk is not high, and if you buy the coin or the asset, it belongs to you automatically. Until when you wish to sell, you can choose to sell it at profit. You can choose to sell it at loss if you wish. It is your coin. I hope you get the strategy where you can choose to hold it for long. So long time holders, and you see the big banks, the government agency, most of them, they do spot trading. Right? They own the assets and sell it whenever they wish to sell. So the market, you can see the market is currently retracing a bit. But I know that this market will get to this point. This point, I said around 7 point something. I know that the market will get to that point before it turns, right? But for the sake of this video, we said we'll sell this around $2, and currently are up with like $3, okay? It's back to $2.81 right now. So let's sell the coin. Come to market, remember, click on this 100%. I want to sell 100% of the coin. I click on sell. So I've sold my coin, 100% of my coin. You can choose to sell part of your coin, right? You can choose to sell part of your coin. So if you go to your, assets, remember we are having around $21. You can see now, my money is now showing $24. I hope you learned something from this video, please. And you can see the charging fee, what they charge me, not even up to $1. You can see it here. I hope you learned something from this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe. And also follow our Telegram channel where we drop trading insights. We drop free signals on a daily basis. Do well to join us, subscribe to this channel, and share this channel with your friends and family. So see you in our next